Hey everyone! The Esel eUrban immediately stands out in a crowded electric bike market by doing something very few manufacturers dare to attempt, replacing the conventional metal frame with wood. Instead of aluminum or carbon fiber, Esel uses an ash wood construction known as the Hollow Tec frame. And this decision is not just about aesthetics. The result is a bike that feels distinctly different from typical urban e-bikes, both visually and in terms of ride characteristics, giving it a unique identity that blends craftsmanship with modern mobility. The wooden frame is the centerpiece of the eUrban's design. Ash wood is known for its strength and flexibility, and in this application, it helps absorb road vibrations more naturally than rigid metal frames. This translates into a smoother ride, especially on rough city streets, cobblestones, or uneven pavement. At the same time, the Hollow Tec construction ensures that the bike remains relatively lightweight for an e-bike, with the basic version coming in at around 18.5 kilos and the performance model dropping that down to approximately 16.5 kilos. Esel offers the eUrban in two distinct configurations, the Basic and the Performance, each targeting slightly different riders. The Basic version is more accessible, featuring 28-inch aluminum wheels and a 10-speed Shimano Dior drivetrain, making it well-suited for everyday commuting and casual urban riding. The Performance variant, on the other hand, leans into a more premium experience with lighter carbon wheels and an upgraded 11-speed Shimano Dior XT transmission. Under the hood, both versions share the same electric drive system. A rear hub motor delivers 42 Nm of torque, which is modest compared to some high-powered mid-drive systems, but more than sufficient for urban commuting. It provides smooth and predictable assistance, ideal for navigating traffic, accelerating from stops, and handling gentle inclines. The integrated 350 watt-hours battery offers a claimed range of up to 80 kilometers on a single charge, which should comfortably cover daily commutes and short trips around the city. Real-world range will of course depend on factors like rider weight, terrain, and assist level, but the capacity strikes a good balance between weight and usability. Ride quality is further enhanced by the inclusion of a carbon fork, which helps reduce weight while improving shock absorption. Combined with the natural damping properties of the wooden frame, the eUrban delivers a ride that feels composed and refined rather than harsh. Shimano MT410 dual-piston hydraulic disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, ensuring confidence in both dry and wet conditions, which is essential for city riding. The natural grain of the ash wood gives each bike a unique look, setting it apart from the sea of metal-framed e-bikes. It feels more like a piece of functional art than a purely utilitarian vehicle, and that alone could be a major draw for riders who value individuality and craftsmanship. However, this uniqueness also comes with a premium price, with the basic model starting at €3,999 and the performance version reaching €4,999. The eUrban sits firmly in the high-end segment. Overall, the Esel eUrban is not trying to compete directly with mainstream e-bikes on raw power or affordability. Instead, it offers a distinctive take on urban mobility, focusing on comfort, design, and a refined riding experience. For riders who want something different and are willing to invest in a bike that stands out both visually and technically, the eUrban presents a compelling and unconventional option. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.